Does everyone like best song ever? We're still a little bit nervous. It's only the third time we've done it. Just gonna throw it in there. Let the dogs out. There's nothing wrong with us at all. We're totally normal. But not alone for being here tonight, but for being with us for the last 3 years and being simply the best